Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how Japan became a world power. Japan's journey began with the Meiji Restoration, a pivotal period that ended centuries of self-imposed isolation. The nation actively sought out Western knowledge, technology, and institutions, fundamentally transforming its society. This era saw the centralization of political power, dismantling the old feudal system and establishing a modern state. These rapid and comprehensive reforms laid the groundwork for Japan's future global influence. Following the Meiji Restoration, Japan embarked on an ambitious program of industrialization. The government played a crucial role, investing heavily in infrastructure like railways and telegraph lines, and establishing key industries such as shipbuilding and steel production. This rapid development transformed Japan into an industrial powerhouse. Educational reforms were also critical, creating a highly skilled and literate workforce capable of supporting the new industrial economy. This modernization was essential for its rise. Japan's modernization extended to its military, which rapidly adopted Western tactics and technology. It built a formidable army and navy, quickly becoming a dominant force in East Asia. Significant military victories against larger powers showcased its newfound strength and strategic prowess. This expansion was driven by a need for resources and a desire to establish regional influence, further solidifying its position as a major global player. After significant challenges, Japan rebuilt its economy, focusing on innovation and high-quality manufacturing. Its products, from electronics to automobiles, became globally renowned, establishing Japan as a leading economic power. Today, Japan continues to be a major contributor to global technology, culture, and diplomacy, maintaining its status as a respected world leader. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.